A facilitated workshop is a powerful way to achieve a particular purpose. They involve the appropriate stakeholders to ensure the achievement of results with speed, commitment, and buy-in. Perhaps you've used this in your own organization. Let's now look at what the goals or objectives of a facilitated workshop might be. The workshop objective could be to obtain decisions or extract information. The workshop might be intended to agree requirements for a project or design aspects of a system, or secure approval, for example. A facilitated workshop is often the best method for eliciting key business or technical understanding and hence possible decisions, and to gain consensus from a group of people within an organization. Facilitated workshops are the perfect medium for stimulating and promoting an exchange of views, leading to decision-making and consensus around deliverables. The communication, rich discussion, and collaborative participation around the topic leads to agreement, though this is not always the case. Meetings are primarily about making decisions. Workshops, on the other hand, are about active discussion in a round-table environment. The Agile BA needs to have the skills to perform the role of workshop facilitator, though if they are needed to participate as part of the group, an independent workshop facilitator should be used.